Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This was originally a voiceover, but my phone, I record on my phone, it's been messing up like with the sound and stuff. So when I recorded this, oh look, I'm watching Morena. If you haven't checked her out, she is Fearfully Created here on YouTube. You should definitely go check her out. As I was saying, my sound has been messing up, and so I'm just gonna have to do a voiceover for this portion. I'm just going around the house showing you what I wanted to get done, and I will be happy to say that I did get almost everything that I wanted to get done. So if you've been here a while, then you know that most of the time I already have clothes in the washing machine that I forget about that I need to clean. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just re-washing these clothes, and then I'm gonna get started on cleaning off the washing machine, not the washing machine, the dryer, because we have so much stuff just cluttered on top of it.
I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention.
So now that I've got the stuff picked up off the dryer, I'm just gonna pick up in the kitchen and then do the dishes.
Ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
Sunrise in West Virginia, sleep talking on the front porch, running barefoot to a creek. We learned to drive the van, then we had to hide it from the fishermen. 2 French braids make believing, like my own sister. Our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Counting up our crawdads, both of us 8 years old. Clawfoot tub ran only cold. In the middle of the night, we found baths in the loft with our flashlights. We were together, that made it alright. Like my own sister, our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring.
And now it's time for my favorite part, which is cleaning out the sink. This is just so therapeutic to me. If you're new here, then I will let you know that this is my favorite chore to do. It's, like I said, very therapeutic to me. I love watching all the suds go down the drain and things like that.
You'll know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what
So my stove was an absolute wreck. You can't really see it well on camera, but there was oil splatter everywhere and it did not want to come up. I tried using just my Fabuloso and a sponge. Then I tried using Dawn Power Wash and a sponge, and then I ended up just having to let a combination of the Fabuloso and Dawn Power Wash sit there on the stove for a little bit before I finally was able to get most of it up. There's still a little bit left on there that I think I'm just going to have to keep working at.
time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know
Okay, so Parker's about to be home. I finished everything in the kitchen except for the floors. So I think the rest of it I'm going to do tonight when the boys go to bed. So this is going to be kind of like a nap time / bedtime clean with me, I guess. But yeah, I'm just going to relax because he's about to just mess up the house anyways, and I'm just going to do it tonight. So this is much later in the evening now. I am just going to finish up in the kitchen by sweeping and using my Swiffer, and then heading to the living room to finally clean it up after the boys destroyed my living room all day.
Forever, 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 forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes.
So if you have kids, then you know they make complete messes. So I had to clean up some cracker out of my rug, nothing new. So I was just wanting to show you where that was, and then I had to pick it up. And then I'm going to work on this end table right here. We just kind of threw mail all over it, so it needed to be picked up and cleaned up a little bit.
I'll be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
I actually got a little tray. It was actually a tray that held Jared's Father's Day gifts together, but he wanted me to use it for whatever I wanted to use it for, and I thought it would be perfect to hold my oil diffuser and my little oils. And so I'm going to add some lavender to my oil diffuser and let that run. And I'm also going to clean up this area right here, which is our little table across from the bathroom. It holds just some decorations, and then Jared's magic cards that he has. We don't really have anywhere else to put them, so we just put them right there. And it also holds our Bibles. Then I'm going to let the robot do its thing and vacuum up. And then I'm going to mop, which for some reason that footage got deleted, so I'm sorry you don't get to see me mop the hallway and the living room, but I did do it, I promise. But that is going to be the end of this video, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you thought, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.